Good morning, students. So there is a very good news that there is a notification issued by RITES. So RITES stands for Recruitment of Graduate Engineer Trainees, GETs, through GATE 2020 and GATE 2021 score. So RITES is under the control of Ministry of Railways. So it is a very good notification. If you have good score in GATE 2020 and GATE 2021, then you can apply in the RITES. So I will tell you about the details. So there are in electrical branch there are total 8 vacancies. So 2 for UR, 1 for EWS, 2 for OBC, 2 for SC and 1 for ST. So total 8 in electrical. For civil there are 14 for UR, 3 for EWS, 6 for OBC and 2 for SC. So total 25 in civil. And in mechanical total there are 15. So 7 for UR, 2 for EWS, 4 for OBC and 2 for SC. So total 15 in mechanical. The minimum age should be 21 years and the maximum age of the candidate should be 30 years as on 1st of July 2021. So 30 years maximum age as on 1st of July 2021. And the qualification criteria is that the candidate should have full-time BTech, BE or BSc degree, and they should have the 60% marks in graduation. So this is the criteria, that minimum 60% marks in graduation for unreserved category. So and only one score out of GATE 2020 or GATE 2021 will be considered for shortlisting. So fill the form with the GATE score which you have more. If you have GATE score in 2020 and 2021 as well, then the higher one will be considered. So only one score out of GATE 2020 or GATE 2021 will be considered for shortlisting. And the merit list will have the weightage distribution like this. So in the merit list there will be 75% weightage distribution will be for GATE marks and 25% will be for interview. So the merit list will be prepared based on 75% GATE marks and 25% interview. But the candidate must secure at least 60% marks in the interview. So at least 60% marks should be there for the candidate in the interview. There will be a training period of 2 months and the pay scale is very good, from 40,000 to 1,40,000. And the fees for general or OBC is 600 plus taxes, and for EWS, SC, ST and PWD it is 300 plus taxes. And bond amount is 1 lakh. So you can fill the form online from 30th July 2021 to 25th of August 2021. And the website address is www.rites.com, RITES rites.com. So these are all the details about the vacancy. So fill the form fast. If you have good score in GATE 2020 or GATE 2021, then you must fill this form. Thank you and best of luck.